Welcome to another tutorial. Yes, this is the drawing that we want to draw. Now this is the drawing, and yes, you can check it in the comment section, suggest what engineering material tool is this. Okay, before we continue with the video, subscribe, like and share to my videos so that you may come back and also get other notifications of the uploaded videos. Well, now as we had already learned of page setup, we are not going to repeat that. We are going straight into the drawing. So drawing this, after doing the page setup for 2D, we are going to start with the drawing of the horizontal lines. Drawing of the horizontal lines, we have this horizontal line that marks as the centers of these three figures. So drawing this horizontal line, after that we are going to draw the vertical line, and drawing of that vertical line we are going to get the dimensions as indicated here. There is 69, and here there is 148, and again another one at 60 millimeters and another at 19 millimeters. So with these, let's go straight, draw a line, a horizontal line to be not less than 200 according to approximation. I have your ortho mode on to draw straight lines. So you're going to have 250.0. So after that we are going to draw an horizontal line of approximation of 70.0. So with this we go back to the drawing. Back to the drawing, and we get it is a distance of 148, and again another distance of 60, and again another distance from 60 to 19, into another to distance of 69. So we are going to start with the 148 and then 60. This one copy from the base to a distance of 148.0, and again to a distance of 60.0. Well, we have those two, so we are going to copy this one to a distance of 69, and then after that we are going to copy this horizontal line to a distance of 48 up to get this center. Well, copy this to from the base to a distance of 69.0. Good. Then we are going to copy the horizontal. Copy the horizontal from this base to a distance of 48, a distance of 48.0. Well, after that We are then going to draw a circle. We are then going to draw this circle. We are going to draw this circle of radius 22 and circle of radius 11. Circle of radius 22 and circle of radius 11, the same we are going to draw here, the same radius. So we are going to draw circle of radius 22.0 and circle of radius 11.0. So this we'll copy it, copy from this center to this center. So that is done. After that we get to draw these two circles. These circles are R22 and R15 at the center of 60 from this other side, from my right, 60 from my right. So that is this circle of radius 15.0 and another circle of radius 22.0. We again draw circle of radius 20 and circle of radius 9. Circle of radius 20 and another circle from the same center of radius 9.0. Well, so with that as indicated here, you can see these half circles have a center distance of 22. So we are going to copy the first two circles to a distance of 22. We copy this, copy to a distance of 22.0. Well, after that we then join their quadrants with a line. Join the quadrants with a line and copy the quadrant. Copy the quadrant. Copy the line to the other quadrant, don't copy the quadrant. Yes. So again copy the line. Again, good. Now it is okay. We can zoom this so that we trim this. Trim these. Trim these. Trim. and then delete now the remaining parts. Good. So we have that. We have that. You can also note that from this center, the center at the circle at the real center of radius of 15 and radius 22, there are a number of circles that originate from there. That is a circle of R32 originate from the same center, and a circle of radius 60 and radius 60 plus 22, 60 minus 22, 60 plus 11, and 60 minus 11. All those circles originate from the same center. So we are going to draw those circles. We'll start with R32, circle of R32 from the center, R35.0. Good. And again another circle of R60.0, and again another circle from the same center of 60.0, minus 11, 60.0 minus 11.0, 49. So we have another circle of radius 49.0. Good. And we also have another from the same 60.0 minus 22.0. We have a radius of 38.0. So that is done. So from that we also have other circles of 60.0 plus 11.0, that is 71.0. After that 71 we have another of 60.0 plus 22.0 of 82.0. So there are a number of circles there. Oh, that has not really been done. So let's repeat the last one of radius 82.0. Good. So we have very many circles here. We have very many circles here. So we have this is circle of R35, this is R38, this is R49, this is R60, this is R71, this is R82. So from that we are going to draw another line. We are going to draw a line joining the quadrant of this circle here, this half a circle, to the tangent of this R35. The tangent of this R35, we will draw a line from the quadrant of this one, and I ensure you have your ortho mode off so that you draw a line that is required, the line that is required, and we take this, we draw it to the tangent, type tangent, good, it has indicated tangent. Well, so we have that. Yes, we have that. So to complete it, we are going to draw R16. R16 we are going to draw using tan radius, and to get tan radius we go to draw, and we go to cycle, and from circle we get tan radius. So tan radius, how to draw tan radius? We draw it. So to this one we are going to use tan radius, and we have it to the tangent of this circle, and again to the tangent of the circle that we want it to be in, and radius is 16.0, and we are going to have the circle there. So we are going to trim, well, trim, well, so we have that, delete the unwanted parts. After that we are going to draw now this line here. So to get the center of this circle, we are going to measure and copy the C center line, this center line here, to a distance of 11, so that we have the center of this other circle on the line 60. So we copy this, to distance from the base to a distance 11.0. Now we are going to copy this and copy this one, copy that, and this is the base. I have the ortho mode off so that you don't get stuck. Good. Now to that point, good, and then you escape. After escape, delete the lines. We can now delete the horizontal lines. Delete the horizontal lines. Good. Delete the horizontal and the vertical lines. Delete them, and then we are going to continue with trimming. Trim, yes, now you can continue trimming. Trim, yes, we trim. we trim, 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 yes, that way, good. Good. And delete the remaining parts. After deleting the remaining parts, now we can join R16 and R44 using draw, cycle, and a turn radius. This is R44.0, and lastly we add to this well 16.0, after which we trim, so this is the diagram that we were drawing. It is actually the real diagram, if you can see in compare. The next video is dimensioning of this diagram. 1, to check on the accuracy, and 2, to answer the question indicated below the diagram.